came around to the other side, and my goodness, look at that. Look at that. There's a lot of ants, so I have to be very careful. Oh my. What? Help me. I need to go for a bag. Potatoes are ready. Oh my goodness. I better go for a bag and cut that off. Yeah, can't afford. Whoa. Look at that. On top of those over there. My goodness. Time to replant for the winter now. Gee, this one is huge too. Way down in the ground. Oh, yes, Lord. My goodness. Look at that. That is so huge. They are huge. Huge potatoes. Jesus. My God. I have to be very careful here. There's a lot of ants. But I gotta get this up because the weather gonna change. I wanna make sure. And plus this here is being eaten. Look at that. Ants on me. My God. Ants. Yep, I gotta. It's eaten or probably too much water. Oh my God. I gotta take this out too. Oh Lord. Look how big this thing is. Jesus. Oh my God, that's a lot. And there's plenty more under there. Gotta get the ones that is broken off. And it's just killing me. My God. And check the other. Oh my God, it's a lot of ants. Ants reach into my container. But blessings on blessings. Gotta get a bag out the car. Jeez.